Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel. Today's RHCSA question is how to set the SElinux to enforcing mode. Let's attempt it. In the root user mode, type get enforce to know the status of SElinux. It is now in permissive mode. To change the mode to enforcing, type set enforce 1. Now check again. Done. But this method is not persistent basis. To make it persistent, type following command. Now edit this line. Permissive to enforcing. Save and exit. Done. Now reboot the system. Hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.